Hello, gorgeous. My name is Logan Spring, and I'm a healthy hair educator and curly hair specialist with EcoSlay Hair Care. I'm here today because I want to show you how to use conditioner to achieve deep hydration and a silky smooth look in 5 easy steps. Let's do this.
Step number 1, saturation. Before you reach for conditioner, I want you to make sure your hair is as wet and detangled as it possibly can be. One of the biggest misconceptions out there is that conditioner is what hydrates the hair. And in some ways that's true, but without water, conditioner can't do its job, like at all. Conditioner works by bonding to water and helping to break surface tension so that water actually gets inside of the hair. Basically, without water, conditioner has very little to work with. That's why you're seeing me fill my hair all the way up with water before I reach for conditioner and start working it into the hair. Step number 2, application. Notice how I apply the conditioner directly to my roots and scalp. I even massage it directly onto my scalp before I start working it down through the lengths of my hair. Here's the thing. I want you to completely ignore all the rumors you've heard about not putting conditioner onto your roots and scalp directly. All of those stories stem from the use of products that are packed full of plastics and cheaply processed oils. Those ingredients coat the scalp and cause a whole whirlwind of issues. Now that you're using a plant-based botanical conditioner, the fear of coating the scalp in that way are completely gone. In fact, a high-quality conditioner like the ones made by EcoSlay are actually very nourishing and hydrating to the skin of the scalp and can help balance the pH that gets thrown off by washing. Step number 3, distribution. Your first goal with conditioner should be to ensure that it's evenly distributed all throughout the hair, and the only way to get this job done is by fully detangling the hair while you apply it. To do this, work in small sections and gently use your fingers and thumbs to work out any knots and tangles that you find along the way. Step number 4, create movement. Once the hair is detangled in one direction, you need to flip your head to the side and direct your hair into a new location all of the way from the roots. This will uncover new tangles and knots that need to be removed in order to ensure equal distribution. That means equal absorption of water and all the nourishment that comes from these botanical conditioners. Then flip your head to the other side and repeat the process again. Do this several times, moving your head from side to center, focusing your detangling efforts on the areas that tend to tangle more, that feel more coarse in your hands, until your hair has a consistent hand feel all the way across and from roots to ends. This is gonna feel like it takes a lot of time at the beginning, but I promise you the results are worth it. Just take a second to look at what I'm working with now compared to the hair I started with at the beginning of this video. It's a completely different medium. Now, the 5th and final step is to maximize. Start working the conditioner deeply into your hair using pulsing scrunches and a lot of raking and water. This action supports the chemical processes of conditioner with mechanical motion designed to break surface tension physically, and the conditioner designed to break surface tension chemically. Remember this, the more water you can get inside of the hair and keep there, the longer your style will last. Once you get a pretty even hand feel, go ahead and rinse. But just like when you rinsed out your shampoo, notice how I don't just stand there and let the water do all the work for me. You need to be actively working the water into the hair, not just rinsing the conditioner out, but using the opportunity to exchange water for where the conditioner is in the hair right now. That one single mindset shift is going to make all the difference when it comes to hydrating the hair and getting style that actually lasts. EcoSlay recommends that you use a deep conditioner like their banana cream and just about every to ensure that all the goodness is fully absorbed. You can allow this to sit on your hair for up to 30 minutes, and EcoSlay even recommends using a heat cap if you have one for the best possible results.
I cannot wait to hear how these tips and tricks improved your conditioning results. Go ahead and leave any comments or progress photos in the space below this video. And if you have any questions, refer to the quiz on the EcoSlay website, or you can book a consultation with one of our product experts. Good luck.